I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling two-step verification on your Google account. Open Accounts. Google.com, sign in, then go to Security and two-step verification. Once done, select Add Security Key and choose the connection type. If you have a USB-C key, plug it into your computer. If you're using NFC, leave it near the phone. Make sure your browser prompts for a device. You'll register the key name and confirm ownership before moving to the next steps. You now complete the registration. When prompted, insert or tap the Titan key and follow the browser dialog to allow security operations. Once accepted, name the key. Use descriptive text like Work Titan USB-C. Then add at least one backup key to avoid lockout. You'll repeat the same register steps for that device. After both keys are listed under your security keys, test signing out and back in so you confirm the physical touch, NFC tap, or button. You finish by verifying the Titan key is active in your account's two-step verification list, and make sure backup keys are stored securely. If you prefer key-first sign-in, disable weaker second factors, but keep at least one recovery option. One key troubleshooting tip. If the key isn't recognized, try another USB port or device, ensure NFC is enabled on your phone, update drivers or browser, and re-register the key. This resolves most recognition and compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.